This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Get the pig any way you can. Ooh, okay. So first I'm going to do it without repeats and then with. So how far do I got to go? Gosh, that pig is far. There's going to be a bunch. And then north maybe. And the nice thing about code is you can be wrong a billion times. You can just test. So I'm going to step through this. East 1. East, no, just kidding. That's way too slow. That was a bad plan. Okay, so I went a little too far. Okay, get rid of that. And then maybe one more north. Let's test. Look at all that code. Go, go, bird. Go, go. Attack! Waha! And there is a much faster and easier way to do this. That works, of course it does. But let's hit replay here, and let's take a look. Now, what do I actually want to do? I want to go east 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And I want to go north how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So if that's the situation, let's try this. A repeat. Now we wouldn't want a 3 in here. What would we want? Well, let's try putting a 4. And if I want to go east 4 times and then north 4 times, well, if the order matters, you could do 2 things. We could do it like this. East 4. Let's make sure that works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then what would I want to do? Well, then I would want to go north 4. And so it repeats east 4 times, and then it runs, once we run east 4 times, it drops below, and it makes us go north 4 times. Of course, if we want to use even less code, less blocks, we can use repeat again, and put a 4, get rid of this, and quapow. And it repeats east 4 times, drops below it, and then repeats north 4 times. Let's try something else. I'm going to get rid of this. 4 steps, 2 blocks. That also works. Why does that also work? Let's replay. Because we could have done it from the beginning like stairs. Just like we did there. If I did it like this from the beginning, it would also kill the pig or squish him or whatever. Joop, 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 joop. And notice, it might be 2 different blocks, but I'm once again repeating myself. So if I'm repeating myself, north, east, north, east, north, east, north, zoop, I can do this. And now we are really only using 3 blocks compared to before. When we had, what, 8? Pretty neat. Repeats are super handy. But, awesome. Let's keep going.